Hello guys, welcome back. Today we discuss about Jenkins. Jenkins is an open source automation server written in Java. It is widely used for continuous integration CI and continuous delivery CD in software development. Here are some key points about Jenkins. Automation server. Jenkins automates various stages of the software development lifecycle, including building, testing, and deploying applications. Plugins. It supports hundreds of plugins that integrate with various tools and technologies, making it highly extensible and customizable. Easy installation and configuration. Jenkins can be easily installed on various operating systems, including Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Distributed builds. Jenkins can distribute, build, and test loads across multiple machines, speeding up the process and improving efficiency. Continuous integration and continuous delivery. Jenkins helps in automating the process of integrating code changes and delivering them to production, ensuring the software is always in a deployable state. Community and support. Being open source, Jenkins has a large and active community that contributes to its development and provides support. How to set up Jenkins? Set up Jenkins is straightforward. Here is a step-by-step guide to get started. First, install Java Development Kit JDK. Jenkins requires Java to run. Download and install the JDK from the official Oracle website. Set up the Java home environment variable to point to your JDK installation directory. 2. Download Jenkins. Go to the Jenkins download page and download the Windows installer MSF file if you are using Windows. 3. Run the installer. Open the downloaded MSF file and follow the installation wizard. Select the installation directory and configure the service logo and credentials. Use a local domain, user with the necessary permissions. 4. Initial setup. After installation, Jenkins will start automatically. Open a web browser and go to localhost.8080. Enter the initial admin password found in the initial admin password file located in the Jenkins installation directory. 5. Install plugins. Jenkins will prompt you to install suggested plugins. You can either install the suggested plugins or customize the installation by selecting specific plugins. 6. Create admin user. Create your first admin user by providing a username, password, and other details. 7. Configure Jenkins. Once the setup is complete, you can start configuring Jenkins by creating jobs, setting up build pipelines, and integrating with other tools. What is a Jenkins pipeline? A Jenkins pipeline is a suite of plugins that supports implementing and integrating continuously delivery pipelines into Jenkins. It allows you to define your entire build process, including all the stages and steps, as code. Key concepts. Pipeline as code. Pipelines are defined using a domain-specific language DSL based on Groovy. This allows you to version control your pipeline definitions along with your source code. Declarative versus scripted pipelines. Declarative pipeline, a simpler and more structured way to define pipelines. It uses a predefined syntax and is easier to read and write. Scripted pipeline offers more flexibility and control, allowing you to write complex logic using Groovy scripts. Features. Stages and steps. Pipelines are divided into stages, each containing a series of steps. This helps in organizing the workflow and making it more readable. Parallel execution. You can run multiple stages or steps in parallel to speed up the build process. Integration with other tools. Jenkins pipelines can integrate with various tools and services such as Git, Docker, Kubernetes, and more through plugins. Error handling and notifications. Pipelines can include error handling and notifications to alert you of any issues during the build process. Benefits. Consistency. Ensures that the build process is consistent across different environments. Automation. Automates repetitive tasks, reducing the chances of human error. Visibility. Provides a clear view of the entire build process, making it easier to identify and fix issues. Steps involving in execution of Jenkins pipeline. Build stage. This stage handles the build process. Test stage. This stage runs 3 types of tests: unit, integration, and UI in parallel. Each test type is defined as a separate stage within the parallel block. Deploy stage. This stage handles the deployment process. Running tests in parallel can significantly reduce the overall pipeline execution time, especially if the tests are independent of each other. In conclusion, Jenkins is a powerful and flexible automation server that plays a crucial role in continuous integration and continuous delivery, CI or CD pipelines. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more videos.